start with that? That's purple.
How do you open this? There we go. Don't you gotta go like this or something? This is complex. It looks like Rocky Balboa.
If it is something inappropriate. Hey guys, Kat here, and today I decided to show you guys how I do my makeup. A lot of people have asked me this before, and so I thought it'd be fun, and then I will only be doing half of my face. The other half I'm gonna have Justin do, and I'm not gonna show him any of the stuff that I do. He's seen me do my makeup before, but yeah, I want to see him. I'm probably not going to allow him to use the eyelash curler because that's a really scary thought, but we'll see. So just a little background, I am not a makeup guru. I just found products that work for me and that I like, that don't break out my skin, and that make me feel good. Probably everything I do, a makeup person has told you not to do. So let's just have fun with this today. I'll show you everything. I try to make most of my products vegan, but if they are not, it's because it's products that I have before I became vegan. I just didn't want to waste them, so just want to give you a little background on that. Let's get started. Hopefully the lighting will be okay. Again, I've never done this before. It doesn't have to be perfect though. I'm trying to get that down in my head that not everything has to be perfect. Okay, firstly I start out with, that was a really loud airplane. I start out with Confidence in a Cream for moisturizing, and my mom gave this to me. I am a super just like cheap person when it comes to makeup. I will use whatever someone gives me. My mom gets this stuff for free sometimes, so yeah. Oh, I just did my other face, but whatever. Okay, so I'll do both sides on that, and then I'll try to remember not to do both sides. After that, I use IT Cosmetics. What is this? Concealer, that's what it's called. I only use like the, oh, I just flicked you off. I only use a little bit. I'll do this side. And I will put that on my eye. I naturally have under eye bags no matter how much sleep I get or anything like that. It's one of my imperfections, and that's just how it is. Sometimes you just gotta accept like that's how your body is. After that, Bare Minerals. I love this stuff. Silk 14. So now you know my skin color. This is the powder for my face. After that, I have this NYX, and it is Electro, and that's what I use for my blush. And I use this IT Cosmetics brush. Look at that. Okay, so I'll just do this one side only. And that's just a little bit of color. I'm not already blushing. After that, I will use this Revlon Color Stay Brow Kit, and I use the dark brown. And I have this MAC brush, and the only reason I have this is because my sister's awesome at makeup and she gave it to me. This is so interesting using the camera. So I'll do these strokes. See, I know terms, and then I'll do this stroke and I'll trace my natural brow, and then I'll fill in this thing. That is the scientific way to put it. Look at that, looks so funny, so funny. Yeah, I know all those fancy people do all the little like stroke things, and they use that fancy like mascara brush thing, and I would try to learn that, but part of me wants to and part of me doesn't care. After that, this is big. Urban Decay. Ah, the bug. Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the original one. I'll put that on my lid, and then I'll rub it in all nice. Oh, look at this, so nice. And then after this is my favorite. I highly recommend Stila. Boom, Stila. Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is huge. This is how I do my cat eye. And this is what a lot of people don't recommend, is to pull on your eyelid, but I'm gonna pull on it. Oh God, I'm so close. Okay. And I found that every day that I do my makeup with my eyeliner is a gamble. Some days it's really good, and some days I'm a panda. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's really difficult on this little screen, but I'm gonna try my best, so I think that's not too bad. I don't know, I'll see when I edit this and it'll be like totally uneven funny. Okay, Makeup Forever. I got this at Sephora. Professional Paris. What color is it? I don't know. It's purple. It's like electric purple. It's electric. Boogie, boogie, woogie. And I'll use this brush. Oh yes, Urban Decay. I got this from the Urban Decay palette, the electric one. I'll put this under here. All the way there. Ta-da. Okay, we're almost done. This is really quick. After that, I will use Perversion, which I think is a really funny name for it, but it's Urban Decay. It's the Glide one. Luckily it's sharpened, and I will put that under here. Okay. And that's done. And then we only have 2 more steps and I'm done. It takes me like 5 minutes to do my makeup in a day, and that's what I like about it. It's quick, and it's not like too many products, and I can travel with them easy. And yeah, then I can be on the go. Oh gosh, this is me funny. Okay, so hello. Okay, I did it. And then I squish, 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 and then stay. And then okay, and then I use this Neutrogena. It is definitely waterproof because I cry so much. It's so sad. And I always joke about that, but I'm so serious. I bet you never thought you'd get this close to me, baby. But you did. Okay, yeah, that's it. We're done. We're literally done right now. So the fun part is gonna be Justin doing my makeup. But if I want to get super fancy, I'll get fancy on you guys. I'll put my warrior marks. Why do I do this? Because I like it and I think it looks cool. Duh. This is, I got this for a present, Italia Deluxe. Just works. It's fun little makeup, fun little details. I use this a lot for my Moon Spiritist Instagram. That's my fun like warrior Instagram, and it has like really cool pictures, fantasy kind of stuff. So if you guys want to follow that, you can. So now you can see. Yeah, I try to keep it, again, super basic. This stays on while I work out. I'll refresh it a little bit after, but rather than that, it pretty much remains pretty good. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Just tell me everything I did wrong. And it works for me, so whatever. Bye-bye. Hello.
Hello.
Are you ready to do my makeup?
I'm ready to do your makeup. Like no visual instructions, right?
I'm giving you nothing. Like you, well, okay, maybe, but no, I don't want you to do it.
I think I can figure this out.
Wait, you're gonna start with that?
I don't know the order of any of this.
You've seen me do my makeup.
No, I've seen you do your makeup. I didn't watch you do your makeup. Like I'm doing something and then you're doing your makeup. And then it's done.
You don't watch me
and you're
do
like,
my makeup.
hello.
Hello.
If I had to really dig deep and think of what you usually, I think you put this on first.
Okay.
Is there something you dust this in?
Is there? I don't know. That's purple.
How do you open this? There we go. Okay, that doesn't look right. All right, so this must be in here. Let's see. I didn't realize which side was done for a second. You're so beautiful.
Oh!
So this, I need more.
You can't giving me makeup tips.
Yeah, you don't have enough blush, honey.
Oh, honey.
Oh, honey. It's a good thing that you use these before I can see what colors
Oh,
go to what.
yeah, that's true.
Otherwise, this would be a disaster. Wait, I'm not done.
Why is there a line? Oh, pudding.
I have this overwhelming desire to even out your other side, though. You look like you're Rocky Balboa.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Here's the eyeliner.
I'm kind of nervous. Don't be nervous, even though I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. I like when people tell me that.
Don't you gotta go like this or something? I can do this. Oh my god, look at that line. I killed it. Yeah. Oh my. I am good. I think my side is better, actually.
Pretty good. Okay, keep going, keep going.
Am I supposed to hold this?
Are you?
I don't know. Oh god, close your eyes.
Okay.
It was good, now you open this all over the place. Oh my, I just killed.
Did you? That's actually really good.
Yeah, I know.
That's pretty good. That's good. Because like if I were ever to have like surgery, I'd be like, I need makeup. And you could do it for me.
Kinda. Okay.
Kinda. What's this? What's this for?
I think it's for drawing on your eyebrows.
Okay.
That makes me nervous.
No. Okay. Yeah.
Ooh, that's pretty dark.
You checked.
I don't think that's for your eyebrows. I think this was for what I just did. Maybe. Where would this go? I don't know. Oh, it's eye. Eyeshadow primer. You need primer? This is complex. Dumb. You're just selling you pointless stuff. Wait, what is this? Oh, God. For your eyelashes. I'm gonna skip the primer. I don't think you need the primer.
Okay. You don't think I need it?
Oh, wait. Do I need to do this thing?
What thing? Oh no! No! That's so
Please,
scary.
When you do this, edit in the like horror movie music. Let me see your eyelashes.
I trust you.
Look straight ahead.
Oh God.
Let me do it again because I don't think I did it right.
No! Look, it's the same.
They are pretty much the same. All this work. Most guys don't see the difference. I swear to you. Your eyeball straight. Don't blink into it.
Sorry. I can't look up.
I don't think you're supposed to. Honey.
Oh, honey.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Yes. That's what I should have did. You're really clumpy. How do you get all this off?
Oh, you just licked your finger. Ew.
Yeah.
Oh.
Stop! You're messing it up.
I'm not doing anything.
Oh, God.
What?
It's like when you dump like soup on the ground and you go to wipe it up and it just mushes the soup all over the ground more.
What is different?
What is different? Well, you see your eyelashes gooped up your top of your eyelid.
Okay, what have you not used yet?
The thing for your eyebrows, but I don't know where it is. Let's see. Yes.
Oh!
Brow kit. I could just read. Pretty good.
That's pretty good. You seem very, very happy.
All right.
Is that it? Okay.
I think that's it, but I want to one-up you.
No!
Yeah.
You can't do
Why
that.
not?
Wait, you're done.
No, I mean, I'm
Like-
done trying to make it look equal. Wait, nope, there's white.
What did you not use yet?
Do you draw like little moles on yourself with this thing? Right?
No!
Mark kind of thing.
Did you just say a vegan mark?
V! Beauty mark.
Oh no!
Like a V on your forehead. Oh, I got the dot maker.
Oh, the dot maker.
Oh, honey.
Oh, honey. That's pretty good. Okay, is there anything else?
I mean, I think you're perfect.
Get out of here.
What was this thing? This was, oh, the primer. That's useless.
Go get that. Go get that.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay, are you satisfied? Is this good?
It looks like I did everything you did, except better. Yes, I'm satisfied, but now I'd like to one-up you. That, now it's even better. It's just this.
No, don't use your finger again. Get out of here.
Was I supposed to put this on first? Doesn't make
I
sense to put it
mean-
on now.
No, I think this is good.
Wait, no, I got...
Nope.
I want to try to one-up you. Let me one-up you. Watch.
Okay. If it is something inappropriate.
That would be great.
Is it? No! Oh. Wait, where are we going? What?
I'm just emphasizing your beauty mark.
Oh, put it.
You got two eyebrows.
Like I am Mulan now. What? No.
Vegan.
What?
Now all the animals will know it's safe to come up to you.
What is this? Right. So here's the final product. Thank you.
And before.
This is definitely better than before. It accentuates my features more. And I think I'm gonna start doing this. So I'm gonna make sure to screenshot this so I can have it for reference for later. Thank you, Puddin, for helping. Are you gonna be a makeup artist now?
I could.
Yeah. You know, when you actually, it was really good. I'm not gonna lie, that was actually really good. All right, guys, so make sure to like the video. Yes. Before you go, leave a comment what you guys thought and if you like his beard. And then don't forget to subscribe and we will have a new workout next week. All right? Yeah! See you guys soon. Rawr!
Rawr.